Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a quick makeup tutorial on this look right here. I was going to do like a talk through makeup tutorial. I love doing those because I'm able to like really thoroughly explain my process and like how everything goes, but unfortunately I am sick. I'm recovering, but I'm still like at that stage where if I talk for too much or for too long, then my throat starts feeling like worse and I start coughing more, and I actually have to film a will I buy it video right after this, so I knew that I would not be able to talk for a long period of time. So I decided to just do this video very quickly and just make it like a wordless makeup tutorial where I basically just show you what I'm doing, but I don't necessarily talk about it. I do these kinds of tutorials every now and then, and I just kind of like to mix it up because usually I do like to do talk through tutorials, but this one is not going to be one. This is going to be like a quick video where I'm just going to show you how to create this super colorful look. So if you like this look and you want to see how I achieved it, then of course keep on watching. So guys, that is pretty much the end of this little makeup tutorial, but I for one really am in love with how this look turned out. Please don't feel like you have to purchase every single thing I used in this entire video. I honestly, I would rather actually not mention what I was using almost, just because I don't want to say that, oh yeah, you have to buy every single thing that I used in a tutorial, because let's be honest, I used 3 different palettes in this tutorial, and do you need all those palettes? No. But if you have like a similar shade to this, if you have a yellow shade, or if you have like a hot pink blush, or like a pink color like this, or if you have like a blue, it doesn't matter. you can just use whatever you have, and that's just what I want to say before I sign off on this video, just because I feel like, yeah, I used a lot of different palettes in this video, but that's just because I look at my collection and I think, okay, yeah, I want a yellow, or oh yes, I want a purple, or oh yes, I want a pink, you know, and I go from there. Also, I used like 3 different liquidy kind of eyeshadows for this look. Wow, the light just changed. But yeah, I just applied these pretty like in a sheer manner, and I feel like this mixed all in together looks really interesting. Honestly, if you have a liquid eyeshadow or like a pigment or like a glitter, any of that will do just fine. I just had these 3 colors, so I decided to mix them kind of together and to see how it turned out, and I'm loving how this look turned out. Clearly, I'm into the colorful element at the moment. I'm still like feeling like that creative, colorful bug, and it's not going away just yet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.